Do you want to attract more organic traffic to your website? If that's a resounding yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our journey into the world of SEO content writing. In this digital era, content that shines in the search engine rankings is a golden ticket to capturing organic traffic. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or a budding content creator, mastering SEO writing can be your game changer. Now, what exactly is SEO content writing? It's a craft that merges the art of engaging writing with the science of SEO. It's about strategically sprinkling your content with keywords that your audience is searching for. It's about creating top-notch content that answers your audience's questions. It's about on-page optimization that makes your content search engine-friendly. And it's about off-page strategies that boost your content's visibility. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these key elements of SEO content writing. Let's unravel the secret to making your content shine on the internet. But first, what exactly is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial digital marketing practice that involves optimizing your content to rank higher on search engine results pages, often referred to as SERPs. It's all about ensuring your content is easily discoverable by users who are seeking information relevant to what you offer. When we talk about SEO, we're not just talking about keywords or technical aspects. We're talking about creating content that provides real value to your target audience. Content that answers their questions, solves their problems, or simply entertains them. SEO also involves understanding how search engines work. It's about knowing how they crawl and index web pages, how they interpret and understand content, and how they determine what content is most relevant to a user's search query. In essence, SEO is about making your content more visible online. It's about standing out in a sea of information and reaching your audience more effectively. So, why is SEO content writing so important? Let's delve into this. Imagine your website as a shop in a bustling city. Without a sign, no one knows what you're selling, right? SEO content writing is like that sign, attracting potential customers to your shop. It increases your website's visibility in the crowded online marketplace, making it easier for people to find you. And here's the exciting part. It doesn't just draw any old traffic, it brings in organic traffic. That's right, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. But it doesn't stop there. SEO content writing can also amplify your online presence, helping you stand out from your competitors. And when done right, it can turn casual visitors into loyal customers or followers. So it's pretty clear, isn't it? By incorporating SEO best practices, you can attract more visitors and improve conversions. Let's start with the foundation of SEO content writing: keyword research. This is the cornerstone of any successful content strategy, and it's where we'll focus our attention right now. Think of keyword research as a way of tapping into your audience's mind, understanding their needs, their queries, and the language they use to express them. It involves identifying the terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for online. These could range from single words to complex phrases, and they're the clues that guide your content creation process. But how do we find these elusive keywords? That's where tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush come into play. These platforms allow you to discover keywords relevant to your niche or industry. They offer insights into the average monthly search volumes, competition levels, and even the cost per click if you're considering paid advertising. The key here is to look for those sweet spot keywords, those with high search volumes but low competition. These are the terms your audience is actively searching for, but not many websites are providing satisfactory answers. This is your golden opportunity to fill that gap with your content. Once you've identified your keywords, the next step is strategizing their incorporation into your content. This doesn't mean stuffing your article with keywords left, right, and center. Such a practice can lead to penalties from search engines. Instead, your focus should be on natural integration. The keywords should fit seamlessly into your content, making it both user-friendly and search engine-friendly. Remember, keyword research isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Search trends change, new queries emerge, and it's crucial to stay on top of these shifts to keep your content relevant. Regularly revisiting and updating your keyword list can help ensure your content continues to resonate with your audience and rank well in search results. Strategically incorporating these keywords into your content can significantly improve your search engine rankings. But remember, while keywords are important, they're just one piece of the larger SEO puzzle. In the next scenes, we'll explore the other pieces that complete this puzzle, so stay tuned. Next up is creating high-quality, valuable content for your audience. This is a crucial step in your SEO content writing journey. Without quality content, all your keyword research, optimization efforts, and off-page SEO strategies will be in vain. Why, you ask? Because engaging, informative, and readable content is the cornerstone of SEO. Search engines like Google prioritize content that offers value to users. So it's not just about using the right keywords, but also about delivering the right information in an engaging manner. Let's start with the headlines. Your headline is the first thing users see, making it a significant factor in attracting clicks. An engaging headline should be compelling, concise, and contain your primary keyword. It's your first chance to grab your audience's attention, so make it count. Moving on to the body of your content, it's crucial to provide informative and well-researched information. Remember, your content should aim to answer the questions your audience is asking. This not only increases your content's value, but also builds trust with your audience. Furthermore, incorporating your researched keywords naturally within this content helps search engines understand and rank your content accordingly. Now, let's talk about readability. Ever come across a block of text that's so dense it makes your head spin? That's exactly what you want to avoid. Break up your content into smaller paragraphs. Use bullet points or numbered lists where appropriate. Also, consider your sentence length and language. Shorter sentences and simple language can make your content more digestible. But don't forget about the aesthetic aspect. A well-structured and visually appealing article can significantly enhance the user experience. Use relevant images, infographics, or videos to support your content. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also provides a visual break, making it easier for your audience to digest the information. Remember, quality content is key to attracting and retaining your audience. It's the heart of SEO content writing. So take the time to create content that's not only SEO friendly, but also valuable and engaging for your audience. Because at the end of the day, it's all about delivering the best user experience. Now, let's talk about on-page optimization. This is the process of tweaking individual elements on a web page to make it more appealing to search engines and users alike. It's like dressing your content for success in the digital world. One critical aspect of on-page optimization is title tags. Think of these as the headline of your web page. They're the first thing a search engine sees, and they give a quick snapshot of what your page is all about. Title tags should be crisp, concise, and include your target keywords. Next up, we have meta descriptions. These are short summaries that tell search engines and users what your page contains. A compelling meta description can be the difference between someone clicking on your web page or scrolling past it. So, make it count. Headers, or H1, H2, H3 tags, are also significant. They structure your content, making it easier to read and comprehend. Plus, they're a prime spot to include those all-important keywords. Lastly, let's talk URL structures. A clean, readable URL is more user-friendly and search engine-friendly. Try to keep it simple, relevant, and again, don't forget to include your target keyword. So there you have it. By optimizing these elements, title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and URL structures, you're dressing your web page in its best attire, ready to impress both search engines and users. With on-page optimization, you can make your web page more search engine friendly. Lastly, we have off-page SEO strategies. These are activities that happen away from your website, but still have a significant impact on your search engine rankings. Imagine off-page SEO as the reputation your site builds in the online world. It's all about how others perceive and interact with your content. One essential aspect of off-page SEO is backlink building. Think of backlinks as votes of confidence from other websites. When a reputable site links to your content, it tells search engines that your content is valuable and reliable. However, remember that quality matters more than quantity. A few backlinks from high-quality, authoritative websites are worth more than numerous links from low-quality sites. Next, we have social media engagement. While social media signals don't directly influence search engine rankings, they can indirectly boost your SEO efforts. When you share your content on social media and engage with your audience, you increase the chances of others linking to your content, which can enhance your backlink profile. Lastly, earning positive reviews and mentions from reputable sources can also boost your off-page SEO. Positive reviews on platforms like Google. My Business can enhance your online reputation and make your website more appealing to both users and search engines. Off-page SEO strategies can significantly enhance your online visibility and reputation. They're an essential part of your overall SEO strategy, complementing your on-page efforts to help your website rank higher in search engine results. And that's a wrap on our SEO content writing tutorial for beginners. We've journeyed through the essential elements of SEO content writing, starting with keyword research, where we identified the terms our audience is searching for. Then, we moved on to the creation of high-quality, engaging content that not only utilizes these keywords, but also provides value to our readers. We also explored on-page optimization, focusing on making our web page more search engine friendly. Lastly, we delved into off-page SEO strategies that complement our on-site efforts and help boost our visibility in search engine results. Now, it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Remember, SEO content writing is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and improvement. So, keep refining your skills and stay committed to creating content that resonates with your audience and ranks well in search engine results. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on mastering SEO.